Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi, this is Lara here again, Larry Queen. Alright, this is a short video to show how I made this unique baby shower favors for my baby shower. Alright, so these are the items I used. So I got this amazing cards, personalized cards from Etsy. The card basically says, raise a chair, enjoy a toast when baby Okubanjo arrives. My baby's surname is Okubanjo. And the color was, I really liked the color. It really matched to my color scheme, which was brownish, just neutral tones. Okay, so and then it had these holes where I attached it to the bottles. So and it was perfect. I just put a ribbon through that hole. So I got this ribbon from a craft shop. It's brown in color, and the color was also cohesive with the color scheme, and it was small enough to go through the hole on the card. Then I used the scissors. You can use any scissors, it doesn't really matter. Craft scissors would do. Then for the bottles, I got like very inexpensive wine. Okay, wines actually. This were like £3 for £5, but it's your choice. You can go all out if you want to like splurge really, but £3 for £5 was I think was reasonable from Morrison's. I took the ribbon, tied it around the neck of the bottle. I made a single knot at first, but it was unraveling, so I decided to put a double knot, and that helped and made it stay snug on the bottle. This idea was actually gotten from Pinterest. I had it saved for a while now, and there were a lot of other ideas like pop popcorn when baby arrives, pop everything, pop this and that, but I was more interested in this all wine thing. Okay, so I tied it around the neck of the bottle and then put the ribbon through the hole, through the short end, and then made a simple basic bow around it. As I was saying about the Pinterest, there were a lot of pictures I saved. I just loved this, and I said when it's time I would do this on baby shower, and I got the opportunity. So basic bow around the neck. Okay, why am I laughing? I really don't know why. Alright, so you don't have to go any fancy or anything like that, just a simple bow would do. Then I noticed that it would unravel easily if I left it like that, so I made another knot to hold everything together, because some of the bottles I was going to send out to people that could not make it for the shower, while the guests that were going to come were going to take it home. So they were going to pop it when baby comes, and we couldn't tell if it was going to be in a couple of weeks and all, and I didn't want it unraveling before then. So tying the knot helped it to stay secure. I cut the excess ribbon off the long end, and that's it. It looked really nice, simple and straightforward. Alright, so I think guests loved it, even though I'm saying so myself, but I loved it really. I like the idea. I'm doing exactly the same thing I did previously, you know, tied the ribbon around the neck of the bottle, then went on to pull the card through it, made a bow, secured it with a knot, and perfect. Looked very, very good. So we gave our guests these bottles to take home and then pop it as soon as they hear the news of baby's arrival. I don't know if any of them started to sip it before baby came, but that's their business. But however, I think it just looked really good. If you are going to try this later on in future or anything, just let me know in the comments section. I love you guys for watching. Thank you so much for going through this with me. Drop your comment in the comment section, subscribe, share with family and friends. Thank you for watching. Bye. Love you all.